Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create clickable links in Canva. Before we get started, please like the video and subscribe as this really helps me out. So clickable links are helpful in your designs, such as like a presentation or a newsletter, or if you're creating like a free lead magnet. If you can put a clickable link into those items, it helps to promote your business. So you can see here I've got a presentation open. So on the bottom, it's got a website link, but this isn't linked yet. It's just like a bit of text. So what I can do, I can go in and I can write the name of my website in. So I'm going to use my own blog. So I'm going to write in remoteworkrebels.com. And then I'm going to go to my website. I'm going to copy and paste the link. And then I'm going to go back to my design. So make sure the website name is selected. Then you're going to click on to the three dots, which is more. From there, you have a link option. So I'm going to click on link. I'm going to paste in the name of my website, and then I'm going to click on done. It will ask you to confirm again. So I'm going to click on done again, and you can see this text has now become clickable. So when I click out of it and click onto it again, I can click and my website will open. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.